Does your robot struggle to collect mission items reliably? Do things slip out of your robot's grasp? Today, we're going to unlock a secret weapon for consistent collection, the OneWay curtain. This simple yet brilliant mechanism lets your robot drive over items to scoop them up and keeps them from falling back out. Hello, First LEGO League builders, robot enthusiasts, teachers, and coaches. I'm Preston with Sprattronics Learning Lab, and today we're going to be teaching you a secret weapon of the First LEGO League game, the OneWay curtain. This is a cheat code for collecting items and moving them around the mat. Let's define it. A OneWay curtain is a swinging flap, usually made from Lego beams or axles, that allows objects in but not out. Think of it like a turnstile or a doggy door that only opens one way. Items pass one way but are blocked from coming back. How does this work? Here's how. The beam acts as a curtain. The pivot point lets it swing, and the stop prevents it from swinging back out. Often, gravity helps return it to the correct position, and either a frame or a beam blocks it from exiting the wrong way. Why is this such a game changer for the First LEGO League robot game? Well, there's several reasons why. One of its biggest strengths is how reliably it collects. No more fumbling or dropping. It allows for faster collection, as your robot doesn't need to precisely grab or clamp items. Often, it's very simple to build compared to complex grippers. This can be adapted for various shapes and sizes of just about any mission item. It's a passive mechanism, meaning it doesn't require a motor, saving ports and programming complexity. When you're designing your own, here are some tips to keep in mind. Placement. Put it at the front of the robot. Usually works best. You could also drive your robot in reverse and put it on the backside. Make sure it's wide enough and low enough for your mission items. Be sure to use smooth beams to minimize friction at the pivot point. And if you want to get fancy, try an adjustable height or multiple flaps. Let's see this excellent tool in action. Let's build this OneWay curtain using just pieces from our LEGO Spike Prime kit. We start by building the curtain using some beams on an axle. This is going to be our pivot point. Next, we're going to build the frame, or our collecting bin. And these little pieces aren't quite long enough, so we add another beam on the bottom so nothing falls out the sides. We attach everything together and hold it together with the stop beam across the top, and then we can attach it to our driving base. If you're running into troubles with your OneWay curtain, let's go over some ways to fix that. Is your curtain stuck? Try reducing the pivot friction. Are items bouncing out? Maybe we should make the curtain a little bit taller. Do you want to level this build up? See if you can create a funnel system on the front to widen that collection area and move items into the OneWay curtain. So there you have it, the OneWay curtain, a very simple and extremely effective way to collect mission items during the First LEGO League robot game. What other passive mechanisms have you created for your robot? Remember, passive means it does not need a motor to work. Be sure to leave us a comment with what other passive devices you've created and utilized for your First LEGO League robot game. Use this simple but effective tool to supercharge your First LEGO League robot game. Be sure to like our channel, subscribe to Sprattronics, and follow us so you don't miss any of our weekly robotics videos.